What is going on, guys? Sorry I haven't done a video in a while. Things have been just crazy hectic, but I got to start making some time for you guys. So I'm going to start doing a little video series here. We got ourselves, let me reverse the camera. We got ourselves a 2021 Police Interceptor Utility. Got a dent in the hood. Needs core support. We're going to be doing a repair on this headlight, a tab repair. We're going to be changing the front bumper cover, the filler panel in the bumper cover. We're going to be putting some push bar brackets on it. We're going to be changing this left front fender splash shield, inner splash shield. So pretty much the whole front of this car is going to get gutted. They're not so bad. So I'm going to take you guys through this car step by step. Pretty easy. I've done, I don't know, at least a half a dozen core supports on these cars. I couldn't tell you how many headlights and bumpers. As a matter of fact, I got 4 bumper covers in stock for these cars. They just dropped them off literally a little while ago. We have a second one coming in next week. Not quite as bad a damage. We're just doing a bumper cover filler panel on the other side and a headlight repair. These headlights in these cars retail for $1,666. So I try to repair them if I can. Like I said, this one just got a broken tab on it. So we're gonna plastic weld and staple a new tab onto this headlight assembly. We're gonna save our client $1,666. I charge them a half hour for labor. The light's got to get pulled out of the car anyway to change the core support. So that's how we roll with these things. I do put all OEM Ford parts on these cars. They are a service car, and I don't like aftermarket stuff on these cars. The fenders, I mean, they're part of structural on these cars. The core support, that's kind of part of structural, even though it's just a big huge piece of plastic. But I like to do these cars right and be very thorough with them. Like I said, we're going to be repairing the hood. Should be a pretty easy peasy repair. So I think I'm going to be starting on this car Monday or Tuesday. We're just going to be doing like little 10-minute video segments on it. You're not going to see every single little teeny thing I do on this car, but I'm going to run you through at least the basics of it. So there we have it. When these push bars come back, they take out the grill, they take the hoods out. But if that push bar wasn't on the front of this car, it would have been a lot worse. It would have been a lot worse. So that's what we're going to be doing, guys. So next week, like I said, we're going to get some videos fired back up. I'm going to do them as I can for you. They're just going to be shorter videos. And hopefully we can get back in the game with our YouTube and stuff. So it's been very hectic around here. We had a wholesale dealer move in as well, which deals with a lot of brand new vehicles or very close to new, which I've been doing a lot of work on those as well. And yeah, we're going to start showing you a lot more tips and tricks than we even did before, and doing them right. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching, and look forward to doing these videos for you this upcoming week. Y'all have a goody. Later.